Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Front End Technologies. Today we are going to understand the difference between let, where and constant. This has been one of the favorite questions of the interviewers. Let's see the magic behind these concepts. We will understand the difference with the help of these 4 points on the screen, which are scoping rules, hoisting, creating global object property, and redeclaration. Let's check them one by one. The main difference is scoping rules. Variables declared by where keyword are scoped to the immediate function body, while let variables are scoped to the immediate enclosing block. Here, I have run this function, and inside that, I have declared two variables x and y. X is declared by where keyword and y is declared by let keyword. Let me run it. I'm able to see the value. Okay, because both are scoped. Now I've created one block. Inside that, I have declared variable a and b with where and let respectively. Now let me remove this. Okay, let me print the value. Again, I'm able to access the value of a and b. Yeah, everything is going as expected. Okay, now I want to access the value of A and B outside this block. Now let me check which one I'm able to access. Oh, for A, which is declared by where keyword, you can see the value here. But the other one, which is declared by let keyword, it is throwing reference error. So let's talk about the second concept, that is hoisting. Firstly, we are printing a variable which is not yet declared. So next line, we are declaring that variable and again we are printing it. The variable is created with keyword where. Let me run this. As expected, firstly, for the second line, it is printing undefined, and for the fourth line, it has the value, so it is showing its value. Let me do the same thing with let. Okay, it is throwing reference error as expected. As we have seen, variable declared with where keyword are hoisted, which means they are accessible in their enclosing scope even before they are declared. We can use variable before they are declared in case if we have defined that variable with where keyword. So this is the concept of hoisting. Let's talk about the next point, creating global object property. At the top level, let, unlike where, does not create a property on the global object. So in the example, we can see an error on the screen. Why? Because I have created two variable, one with where and another with let. So variable created with where are globally scoped, but variable created with let, they are not allowed to be globally scoped. That means window thought that variable won't be accessed if it is created or declared with let keyword. That's why for window.bar it is throwing error. Now move on to the next concept. The last point is redeclaration. In strict mode, where will let you redeclare the same variable in same scope. As you can see on the screen, I've redeclared the variable x and still I'm able to see the value. Let's check on the console. Yep, I'm able to see the updated value. Let's check the same thing with let. Okay, let me run it. Oh, it is throwing error, which is expected. So this is the last difference between let and where. Let's move on to the concept of constant. Variable declared with the constant maintains constant values. Const declaration shares some similarities with let declaration. Like let declarations, const declarations can only be accessed within the block they were declared. So, constant cannot be updated or redeclared. This means that the value of a variable declared with constant remains the same within its scope. Let's see this through an example. If I uncomment this line and run the code, it is throwing error and it is a type error assignment to a constant variable. Let me do some more checks. Okay, I have declared greeting variable with const and assigned the value say hi, and again I'm updating the value. So it will throw error because a reassignment is not allowed. In this case, line number 9 and 10, I've declared greeting variable with constant keyword, and again I'm redeclaring it and assigning the value as well. Then it will throw error again saying greeting has been declared. So this is all about let, var and constant. Hope you understood the difference properly and please try coding these concepts. Till then, stay tuned and watch the space for more. Please like, share and subscribe.